Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Let's walk through an 8-ball break and run. Now here you see that I've hit that cue ball real solid in the center, but just a little bit of top to keep it from going into the side pocket. I cut the 1 ball just slightly to my left, and I almost did scratch, but I got away with it. I got a pretty good layout here, but I do have a problem ball. I see it right away. It does not pass the red going into that corner down there, and it doesn't go by the 8 going in the other corner. So that is the issue. If I can deal with this, I should be off to the races. So I see that I can put it in the side pocket, and it's got a natural angle with just a little bit of spin on the cue ball. I can flow into the shot line. And actually it's across the shot line, but it's a kind of a two-way shot. If I get too far with it and I'm snookered by the 8, I still have other balls to shoot at, but I did land perfect. During an 8-ball game, I really take my time and I study, and I'm actually looking at the 8-ball at this point. So I'm backtracking from the 8 and I'm looking at how I'm going to run out these last balls. So I'm looking at that long rail bank there. I'm going to bank it up in this corner that you see there to the left. Now I'm now going to take a nice easy draw shot. I'm going to use the red as a stopper and let the cue ball drift towards my next shot. And I pull it off perfectly. I got to tell you, straight pool helps you get through that kind of a situation. Love straight pool. It's a hard game, but it really does teach us a lot about our 8-ball game. Now, in this case, I'm already looking once again at the key ball and where I want to land on the key ball so I have a nice straight bank back into that lower left corner pocket. So at this point, it's a lot of study. I want to really make sure I'm on the right side of the line. I want to make sure that I'm a precise position. So all I'm going to do here is just roll forward with the cue ball with a stun follow. And I need a little bit of an angle off that cushion. I don't want to be straight in. The angle gives me the ability to have a follow shot with a little bit of inside spin so that I can gain that position I need on that key ball. You got to think way ahead when you're playing an 8-ball pattern and try to stay right in the spot you need to be in. It's very difficult, but you need to really focus. From here, it's just a simple stop shot and I'll be perfect on the 8. If you guys have any questions or comments about this video, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. I answer everyone. Love this game of 8-ball, but it does take a little bit of effort over like a 9-ball or a 10-ball game. You got to really think a lot more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.